Hi folks, Vitaly here from HelpingHandAffiliate.com. In this video, what I'm going to be talking about is the fastest way to make money with affiliate marketing, and the answer is that it's actually through making YouTube video reviews of simple products that you already own that you can actually promote as an affiliate. Now usually I'm not the sort of person that likes talking about the quote-unquote fastest ways to do affiliate marketing because very often people that preach this kind of stuff very often also promote very questionable and predatory programs. And while the strategy that I'm going to show you in a moment really works, my whole thing is teaching people to build a long-term passive income with affiliate marketing, and this strategy is it's applicable. It works. It can make you a little bit of money here and there, but for something that's more sustainable and long-term, I do recommend checking out my website that I will link to below this video. That'll give you further information about that sort of stuff. But anyway, let's talk about the subject at hand. Now, out of all the methods that are available out there, the concept of making YouTube video reviews is actually the simplest, and as long as you're not too camera shy, you don't even have to record yourself. All you really have to do is grab a product that you actually own, see if you can actually promote that product, and then make a YouTube video review actually reviewing that product. And I'm going to give you a few examples right now and just show you some of my sales reports about this kind of stuff. It's not a lot of money, but very often when people get started with affiliate marketing and they're completely new, they're immediately thinking about themselves making the hundreds of thousands and millions. It's a process. It's a snowball effect. You have to get experience in affiliate marketing at how to review products and how to convince people to buy stuff. And what I'm going to show you right now is actually a really good way that you can actually do that. So I'm going to show you three particular videos that I currently have. This is the first one where I have a jacket that I'm promoting. This is the second one where I'm promoting this backpack. And this one where I'm promoting these hiking poles, also known as trekking poles. And all I'm doing in these videos is I own the product. I can actually promote it because there's different affiliate programs that are available for me to promote it with. And all I do is I promote it in the video in a very short format, and I just link to it in the description. And this works pretty well for me. Like, this video is only 1 minute 44 seconds long. Here's the affiliate link to grab it. In this video, here's the affiliate link to grab it as well. It's got almost 50,000 views so far. And this one I made recently, it has the affiliate link right here to buy it from Amazon. Now, in terms of sales reports, here's some to show you about this kind of stuff. This is actually my affiliate report with Amazon Associates, but specifically for at least one of them. Let's see, Camelback. Okay, there's at least 2 sales that I can attribute to over here. 1 and 2. So at least 2 people purchased this particular backpack in this report over here. Now, the thing about Amazon Associates is that when people click on my affiliate link, say for that backpack that I was just showing you, but they buy something else, that gets recorded as a sale, but I'm not really going to know if that sale came from the backpack. So there might be multiple sales over here of people that clicked on my affiliate link over here, visited Amazon, but bought something else that I got a commission for, but I'm not really going to know if that's there. So it may be that there's more than 2 sales. The same thing with the trekking poles. I also promote them on Amazon, and I do believe if I did trekking, yeah, there it is right there. At least one of them over here that I got a $2.40 commission for promoting these. And the REI jacket over here, that's actually associated with this, and I made 64 bucks for that. And I do have subsequent blogs that also review these particular products that I promote, but that's the fastest way that I was able to set up my affiliate promotions and make money from them, because once you set up a YouTube video and you publish it, provided that you do the correct things, and again, the link below this video is going to get into details about how to SEO optimize your videos so they get faster traffic. You get traffic very quickly versus blog posts and other things that are out there. You don't have to pay anything for this because this is organic traffic and views that you're getting, and it's a great way to get your feet wet with the affiliate marketing world. Now, there are some obstacles and some downsides to this strategy. One of them is that if you're a completely new person that's trying to do affiliate marketing, you first have to apply for the affiliate network that you want to deal with. And some of them have certain standards. Some of them include, they'll ask you to provide a website. Now, in some cases, you may be able to provide a YouTube URL as your channel because that's where you do business. Some of them might accept that, some of them might not. The second obstacle is that some of them do have a criteria of making a few sales within a certain period of time. Otherwise, they'll kick you out of their program. This is how they make sure that they don't have like empty affiliate accounts that don't do anything for them. So this strategy is going to help you with that as well. And overall, there are other things like I wouldn't recommend this particular strategy, making short YouTube video reviews for products that you don't own or products that you don't know anything about, or high ticket products for that matter that you also don't know anything about, because a lot of affiliates, they go straight into that deep end once they get started in this business. And that's a mistake, because if you don't know what you're promoting, if you don't have experience in promoting it, it's very difficult for you to convince people to buy something, which is why the products that I was showing you, I own all of them. I know how to promote them. I have a lot of experience, and this is kind of like a good way to piggyback into the more advanced levels, because once you get good at promoting stuff that you already own on YouTube, you become more comfortable talking in front of the camera, speaking comfortably, confidently. It makes it easier to convince people to buy stuff. And based off that experience that you'll be getting with the strategy that I was just sharing with you, it's just going to be much more easier for you to get into the more advanced levels later on, because you can promote stuff that you don't own as an affiliate, and there's ethical and unethical ways to do it. I stick to the ethical side, and my YouTube channel as well as my site Helping Hand Affiliate talks about how to do that in particular. But overall, like I was saying in the beginning of the video, I'm always going to be the sort of person that tells people to stick to a more long-term approach to making a passive income online, and that's generally with niche blogging, finding something that you're very passionate about and growing a blog based off that. That tends to have the most long-term potential, and initially you won't make money as quickly, but down the line it kind of snowballs and just becomes bigger and bigger and bigger in terms of profit. So that's what I personally stick to. It's your choice if you want to do this or not, but I'm just sharing with you the different methods that are out there, and this is the fastest one to get started with. It has its pros, it has its cons, at least now you know that. And if you have any questions about this method that I've been showing you in this video, you're more than welcome to ask me. But again, for the details about applying this method, getting into more steps, SEO optimizing your videos and that sort of stuff, you can click on the link in the description of this video, as well as get more instructions on how to build a long-term passive income with affiliate marketing, which I do also help people out with as well. So thanks a lot for watching this video, and I hope you have a great day. Take care.